Now we'll put together the frame of the window. Make sure you line up pieces number 1 with the triple holes facing the inside on the opposite sides. Parts number 2 should be positioned with the 5 holes on the outside with 1 hole in the middle. Using the M5 screws, secure the inner sections. You will only use 4. Next one, install piece number 3. Next, we'll place piece number 4. Fasten from both sides and in the middle. Now install the hinges. And repeat on the other side. Alright, so now we'll start with cutting off the polycarbonate section. Any X-Acto knife or utility knife will work, and all you need to do is trace the frame of the greenhouse. If you've cut the polycarbonate precisely, you can line it up on 2 sides, and then we'll trim off the edges after. If you didn't do that great of a job, don't worry. You can line it up in the center, and then we'll trim all the 4 corners, all the 4 sides. If you forgot which side is the UV protected side, it's the one that is smoother. If you run your fingers on the top and on the bottom of the polycarbonate, you'll see that one has more ridges. Pre-drill the holes. Now secure the metal cleats. And repeat. Now trim the excess amount. And the same on this side. Seal the channels on the polycarbonate with a Scotch tape. And repeat on the other side. Now with the window assembled, we can proceed to the greenhouse and get it installed. Next step is to slightly loosen the straps. If you know where you will be installing the windows when you're just doing the greenhouse, you can put the top hinges before you put on the polycarbonate. With the polycarbonate loosened, attach the top hinges. And repeat. With the hinges installed, the next step is to install the opener. The screws go into the bottommost position. Before installing the rubber seals, we'll pre-drill 6 holes into the polycarbonate. 2 of them will also go through piece number 2. Don't forget your safety eyewear. Pre-measure the exact size of the window and then cut off excess pieces to allow for water to drain. The rubber seal will sit on the top portion of the polycarbonate above the window. The polycarbonate will lay in here, and the water will be able to drip here off the sides. Measure the side of the side strap that you need, pushing the top all the way up, and then trim off the axis. And repeat on the other side. Position the bottom seal, cut it to size, and secure it with the M535 screws with the washers. And again, just as on top, the washer should be holding on to the metal seal so it stays in place. Now with the seal in place, we can tighten the straps. Position the hinges of the window in the right spot and secure them in place. Next step, we're going to line up the top mount to the window, and we're going to mark it down. So you want the mark, you want to use the top of the mount. 1 second. Right there. Now we're going to pre-drill the first hole using a small drill bit. Hold on to the window so it doesn't move, and make sure you don't apply too much pressure. You don't want to go through the polycarbonate. Now secure the mount to the window using the self-tapping screw. Now pre-drill the second hole with everything already in place. Now secure the mount with the second screw. Now install the automatic opener and secure it in place using the pin. Pro tip: if the opener has been lying around on a hot day outside for quite some time, throw it in the freezer for a few minutes. And voila, this is the window when it's closed, and this with the window open.